Could you briefly describe the role of communications at ECRIN?
So in communications at ECRIN, we're responsible for both external and internal communications as well as project communications. In short, we support communications within the organization via awareness of upcoming events, development of necessary communications materials to support our staff and other users. Our external communications focuses primarily on our website, events, social media channels, but it's also strongly supported by the actions of our staff who are in constant contact with different stakeholders. The role of project communications can vary significantly from one project to another, from simply sending out key messages on a given project to the development and execution of a communications plan.
How do you work with the national partners?
ECRIN's distributed nature, developed on the principle of integrating existing clinical trial networks, has provided it with a unique position to access the national clinical research landscapes. While our European correspondents are our primary ambassadors within the different national networks, we also work directly with communications professionals within these national networks. With their support, we are capable of conducting direct dissemination within each country. We organize quarterly meetings to support the development of messages that can be shared jointly, understood by all our national networks. Through these meetings, we also offer some just-in-time training on best practices in communications.
Can you tell me about the new ECRIN corporate identity?
ECRIN has been rolling out a new corporate identity. This all began with the launch of the new logo in November 2021. The logo was developed using core elements of the previous logo, from the squares to the idea of having a user in the center. So this user could be a patient, it could be the sponsor or the investigator that we're working with.
The new logo also can be interpreted to show our distributed nature, which englobes not only our staff, the UCOs and core team in the center, but all those working across our national networks in the different CTUs to ensure operational coordination of clinical studies.
The aim of the new identity was to develop a modern take, providing greater visibility to the ECRIN brand and highlighting the maturity and important place that ECRIN has taken in the clinical research community. The colors are now more vibrant and can allow the brand to better stand out among others. In 2022, we continued the rollout of this new brand identity, and the last elements will be developed for 2023.
What are the new tools in your communications portfolio?
Over the past year, our communications team has been working to develop the necessary elements to support our new visual identity. In 2022, we have updated many of the visuals for internal and external use to align them with the new brand identity, among which are two key communications tools, that is to say the corporate video and the website. The first is the corporate video, where key stakeholders from across Europe were interviewed to discuss the benefits of working with ECRIN. The second was the launch of the new website, which centralizes the essential information on ECRIN in a user-friendly format.
What will be the focus for the next year?
ECRIN has a really exciting year lined up for 2023. We will continue to support our key events, so notably International Clinical Trials Day, which in 2023 will focus on decentralized clinical trials, challenges and opportunities. This is an event open to the full clinical research community. Then we will continue to host our event CTU Day for our national network CTUs. We will also have the pleasure of organizing the 10-year celebration since ECRIN has attained its ERIC status. To finalize the various elements of the new brand identity, we're going to be rolling out some new brochures that align now with the new brand identity. We will continue to build on the work done to date and support our staff to be sure that they have the materials necessary to communicate on ECRIN and its mission.